So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a join. If you remember, that's one of our basic operations with data that we discussed in the first session on data in Google Sheets. So joining is merging entries from two or more tables based on matches between common variables. And I'm going to do this with our lobbying data. So here is the Google Sheet with data I pulled from the Google Pinpoint project on those lobbying documents. Now, I'm not actually going to use this sheet because if we go through, I'm going to join based on the foreign principal. I'm going to join to another table that has the country for those foreign principals. It's not in this data, but I might want to know the country. I have that in a separate file. I'm not going to actually use this version because you can see the same entity here, the Korean Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy, has some slightly different variants on its name. So I'm actually going to use another file which I've cleaned. We've already covered cleaning data to standardize those names. So I'm going to import that data. Okay, so I'm going to upload it, browse to where it is. It is in the data for the March sessions in the energy lobbying folder. And I've got this Exhibits B, which is the cleaned up version of the same data. It also has a few more columns in it, I believe. Okay, so I'm going to insert a new sheet and import that data. There it is. There we go. We have that data there. And now you should see that those entries for that ministry are all the same. Okay, so we've got the foreign principals cleaned up. Now the second sheet I want to join to it, I'm also going to import. And that is this CSV file, foreign principals countries. So let's again insert another new sheet, and there that is. So now we have the foreign principal names and the country of those foreign principals. Okay. All right. Now, if I want to join the two together, I can use a function called XLOOKUP. So if I go into this new column and go equals XLOOKUP, okay, and I want to match on this, the foreign principal name, okay, then I put a comma, and then I go and define the range I want to match to. So that's going to be in this sheet, and it is going to be the foreign principal name. And then I want to define what I want to bring in with that, which is going to be, again, in this sheet. And it's going to be, it's going to be, comma, excuse me. That column B. It took a little while to get that sorted out. Now if I hit return, what you'll see has returned here is the United Arab Emirates, which is the corresponding value. So now if I fill down the sheet, we get all of the country data added in, joined into our data. So that's how you do it. The function is XLOOKUP. You match to a particular cell, and then you want to comma, the range you want to search in, and then the column you want to bring in, or the range you want to bring in. You can bring in more than one column. So just select the data, the matching data you want to bring in. If you need to match on two columns, what I would do is create a new column that to do with the matching in both data sets. So you could do that like this. So if we needed to match, for example, on D and D, we could create a new column, which would be, and the function will be concatenate. It would be this and this for the registration number and the foreign principal, and that will give us that column there. So, and you would do the same in the other data if both those columns are in there, and then you can match on that. Okay, so that is how you can perform joins in Google Sheets. I hope that proves helpful to you.